Hi there and welcome to Baking for Joy. In this video we are going to be making pumpkin and feta muffins. You're going to need to set your oven at 180 degrees Celsius so that it can preheat while we're getting the ingredients together. You're also going to need a muffin tray. You're also going to need patty pans, so something along these lines. And just as I've done behind me, I suggest that you put the patty pans in the muffin tray prior to starting to put in the ingredients together so you're ready to put that batter in when you're done mixing. Okay, if you enjoy this video, please press the like button and also please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, if you're ready, let's bake.